the planet that should have died billions of years. Ago scientists discovered a planet that seems impossible, a world so ancient that it was born when the universe was still young, a planet that existed billions of years before Earth had oceans, continents, or life. But the most shocking thing about this world is not its age. It is the fact that scientists believe it should have been destroyed long ago, hidden deep inside the Milky Way galaxy, about 12,400 light-years from Earth. Scientists found a mysterious planet known as PSR B162026b because of its incredible age. It earned a fitting nickname, Methuselah. This planet is unlike anything we have ever seen in our solar system. Scientists estimate that Methuselah is around 12.7 billion years old. To understand how ancient that really is, consider this: Earth is only about 4.5 billion years old. That means Methuselah was already an ancient world more than 8 billion years before humans ever walked on Earth. When Earth was still forming, when the first stars and galaxies were changing the universe, this planet was already traveling through space. But its existence created a huge mystery. How could a planet this old even form? When the universe began, it was mostly made of simple elements like hydrogen and helium, the heavier elements needed to build rocky planets. Were created later inside stars and released through powerful stellar explosions. Scientists once believed that the early universe did not contain enough of these materials to easily create planets, especially not planets that could survive for billions of years. Yet, somehow, Methuselah formed, and that was only the beginning of the mystery. The planet is located inside an ancient star cluster called Messier 4. This region contains some of the oldest stars known in our galaxy. But what makes Methuselah truly extraordinary is the strange system it calls home. The planet does not orbit one normal star like Earth does. Instead, it moves around two unusual objects, a neutron star and a white dwarf. Both are the remains of stars that reach the end of their lives. A neutron star is created when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. The collapse is so extreme that an entire star can be compressed into an object only a few kilometers wide, containing incredible amounts of mass. A white dwarf is what remains after a star similar to our sun runs out of fuel and slowly dies. This means Methuselah has survived a cosmic battlefield. At some point in its history, one of its stars exploded in a violent event. The explosion could have destroyed nearby worlds. Later, another star went through its own transformation, leaving behind a white dwarf. The entire system changed dramatically, but Methuselah survived. A planet that should have been erased by cosmic destruction continued its journey through space. For billions of years, it remained in orbit while stars around it were born, changed, and died. Its survival challenges what scientists once believed about planets. Maybe worlds are stronger than we imagined. Maybe planets can survive events that seem impossible. And if a planet can exist for almost the entire history of the universe, what other ancient worlds are waiting to be discovered? Could there be planets older than our own galaxy? Could there be hidden worlds that have survived even greater cosmic disasters? The universe is nearly 14 billion years old, and we have only explored a tiny fraction of what exists beyond. Earth. Every new discovery reminds us that space is filled with mysteries we are only beginning to understand. Methuselah is not just an ancient planet. It is a survivor, world that should have disappeared, but is still here, and somewhere among the billions of stars in the universe, there may be even stranger worlds waiting to reveal their secrets. This is Beyond Earth.